Good morning, my name is Nathan Parks and this is a 2019 Cadillac XTS Platinum Coach Phoenix, 30,000 original miles. The best part about a 19 gives you the updated facelift of the vehicle. So new headlights and taillights. You also are at the tail end of the factory Cadillac warranty, so keep that in mind. 19 is becoming the last year as we work into 2024. On this vehicle, once again, 30,000 miles, front wheel drive, black with a silver stripe, black tuxedo top. It does have a crown band, which is nice to have. A higher option trim, B&C pillar chrome throughout the vehicle. On the number 2 door here, everything is fully composite. Platinum Coach is a family owned and operated coach builder, and they strive to build the finest quality coaches in the industry. With that being said, you get a black interior inside with that Alicante table. It is an open church truck on this vehicle. The previous customer spec'd it that way. That way you can stand that church truck up vertically or lay it down horizontally. Just gives you more room without that flip door there the entire time. You do get 2 chrome nameplate holders right here on the number 2 door and that beautiful Cadillac embroidery on the door card. As we work towards the rear of the coach, Platinum Coach Landau bar on that beautiful black tuxedo top. This does have the added rear low door chrome. This is a add-on piece to match that B&C chrome. Overall, this car is in extremely nice condition. In the back here, once again, that beautiful black interior. Once again, we have not serviced this vehicle yet, so if there's any blemishes, they will be corrected as we go through servicing it. Opening up here, you do have this full built-in urn carrier with the 2 urn stanchions as they fold up to greet the urn. It fits about 95% of the urns on the market. It's nice and wide. It's not too deep, so it's easy to reach in there. Very nice feature to have built into the coach. Otherwise, everything else in this casket compartment is completely standard. Nice set of dual fixed beer pin plates up front, 3 10-pin plates down the center. That way it'll accommodate any size casket you could ever need back here. 90-degree rollers on the back. There is a backup camera integrated into this bumper, so please take note of that. Quick adjust beer pin is stored off to the far right where every Platinum Coach is, so if you're comparing this car to another one, know it's on the right. On the driver's side here, you do have a full-size matching spare. It's tucked underneath with a cover to keep everything nice and pretty underneath this casket table. This side does have the flip-up hinge, so nice and easy. Once again, that Alicante table is by far the most durable and nicest looking table for long-lasting coaches. The counterpart Madagascar scratches extremely easy, so Alicante is very nice to have as it looks fantastic for a long period of time. B&C pillar chrome, as I mentioned on the other side, matching that rear low door chrome and that beautiful crown band that is also chrome. Once again, 30,000 miles, 2019, last year the XTS. Absolutely beautiful. Let's jump inside and take a peek. Sitting inside this 2019 Cadillac XTS Platinum Coach Phoenix, once again 30,000 original miles and a 19 being the last year of the Cadillac XTS. You get a whole bunch of features. Leather wrapped steering wheel, power tilt and telescoping column, automatic headlights, cruise control, media controls, paddle shifters if you're feeling fancy. It's push button start, remote start on the key fob as well, nice to have. Touchscreen infotainment, that gives you AM FM radio, Sirius XM radio, Bluetooth to make both phone calls and play music, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and that beautiful backup camera, so fully optioned out car. You also get a nice hidden compartment behind the center console here with a wireless charging pad for your phone. It lays flat right here. Dual zone climate control. Unfortunately, it does not have heated seats. That only comes in play until an XT5 in 2020, but it has everything else. 2 cup holders down here. If you need a cigarette lighter, there is a 12-volt outlet right here in the center. It's just hidden by a nice wood trap door. In the center console here, you get 2 more hookups. So you get USB Type A and USB Type C in the center. Those are used for your Apple CarPlay or to be able to charge your phone. Unfortunately, there's not wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. It's wired, so please take that note. Both the driver and the passenger seat are black leather. They're both fully powered seats. Black carpet throughout, black dash with a tan or like a light beige suede headliner. Very nice. Every single Cadillac XTS from 13 to 19 has this very similar interior unless it was special ordered. On this vehicle, it does have a strobe button. It is pre-wired for strobes. There are no strobes in the grille, so please take note of that. The switch right here is located on the driver's headline. Overall though, once again, 30,000 original miles. This 19 is one not to miss. Thank you very much for taking a peek at this 2019 Cadillac XTS Platinum Coach Phoenix. Once again, this vehicle has 30,000 original miles, black on black with a silver stripe, that beautiful black interior in the casket compartment with that Alicante floor, pre-wire for strobes, set up on the Cadillac XTS chassis, last year of it in 2019, with the facelift and the new style radio, gives you Apple CarPlay. If you'd like to inquire about this car, please give me a call at 800-229-5008, or go on the website where you can see 80 plus photos of this car, a walk around video, and this beautiful demo right here. Once again, thank you very much.